watching. Today we are doing the Hobby Lobby 90% off clearance haul. Alright y'all, I got so much stuff, and this is Wreath Makers edition, okay? I didn't get any home decor items. I only bought wreath supplies. So getting started, I got these two ribbons. I actually didn't get these for wreaths. I used these for the gift wrapping. But y'all, these were only $1. And I bought these 2 years ago and they ended up lasting me 2 years. So these I definitely wanted to rebuy because those lasted a while. And then these ribbons I did get for wreath making. When you are checking the ribbon, at least for me, I want to make sure that it has some thickness to it. So if it's too, like, if it doesn't have enough stiffness to it, I don't usually buy it. But this one was really nice. It's red and green, and it does have a good stiffness to it. So that's a 1.5 inch. This was 79 cents, y'all. And then the next one was this cardinal wreath. This one was $1. And then the other one I got was this rustic cardinal wreath, and this one was also $1. The next item I got was this mesh. This one was $1, and yes, it's for Christmas, but I actually didn't buy it for Christmas. I'm probably going to use this for Easter because it has kind of a natural look and it kind of reminds me of bunny rabbits. So I'll definitely keep this one out to use during Easter. All right, getting into the picks. These are my absolute favorite. If you've watched quite a bit of my videos, my winter ones, you know that these ones are my favorite. They are a very frosted eucalyptus. I love these. And they were only 39 cents. So you best believe, like, I bought it up. There was still a lot. Like, there was a ton of these. And if I had the space, I probably would have bought all of them. But I think I bought like 12. I don't know. I try to be mindful because I have to store everything. So, you know, I bought what I could on those. And then this was the only one of these. I didn't even see this during the regular Christmas season. It was the only one, but I thought it was really kind of unique looking. It has the buffalo check, but it also has like jute around the edge, and then the bells. This was only 59 cents. So I got that. And then I haven't used these before, but I thought they'd be kind of cool. And I think I might leave these out all year just because they're rustic. So you could probably do like a summer wreath or something, like a deer wreath. These were 39 cents. And these ones I'm also going to leave out all year. I love these. I use these in my sports wreaths. So I've used these in a Cowboys wreath, and I use these in a 49ers wreath. But these, when I put them together, I was like, oh, these actually be nice for the 4th of July. So maybe I'll do that. But these ones were 29 cents, y'all. And these are really nice. They're like a matte. They're matte, but they have kind of a shine to them. And then the next ones I got were these silver ones. I'll probably put these away because I just don't think I'd use these except for Christmas. These were also 29 cents. The next ones I got are these beautiful, they're like an icy blue pick. They're really pretty. These were 29 cents. I got 3 of these ones. Most of the picks I got, I bought just 3 of them because that's usually what I use for them. Unless I'm like really obsessed with them or I think I can use it like for like a whole wreath. But most of the picks I use are just accents. I bought these. I only bought 3 of them. They have the little berries on them. I think they're a really good filler bush, but I just love how sparkly and frosted they are. And these ones were 29 cents. The next ones I got are these picks. They had magnolia leaves, and honestly, that is the reason why I bought them. I'd seen them all season, and some of the berries are kind of jacked up. So I don't know. I was debating keeping these out all year just to use for the magnolia leaves because they're kind of expensive, but I don't know, maybe I'll just put them away. But these were 49 cents. I got 3 of them. And then, y'all, these were my absolute favorite to find. Like, I can't believe they were even on 90%. They are that Real Touch greenery. I don't know what they're called. These were 69 cents. So I bought a lot of these. It came out to like $7 for all the ones that I bought. But they have something on the tip of them, but they are really beautiful. And yeah, I just knew like these would be really pretty to add for extras into wreaths or just make a whole wreath out of them. So I definitely bought. There was still more of these. I mean, there was like at least 7 bins, like, you know, in their other main floral area. That's where I found these, and there was tons of them. Like, I don't know why people didn't buy these. Like, they look just like that garland that was going viral. And then the other Real Touch that I got was this one. It's a really big giant pick. It looks very similar to the other one, but this one has pine cones on it. And this one was $1.59. I think this was the most expensive pick that I got. I thought I bought 2. It might be in the other pile, but I did get one of these. So that looks really pretty. So some other picks that I got this one last year, and I just love how flocked it is. So it's got some berries and pine cones on it. This one was 89 cents. I got 2 of these. There was a lot of these, but I only wanted to use 2 or get 2 because I actually have some already that I didn't finish using, but I did use those a lot, so I know that I'll actually use those. And I really love these. These are so pretty for fillers. They're super flocked. These were only 14 cents. And if there was more, I would have bought more for sure. But I ended up getting 3. The pine cones, also another favorite of mine. I really liked flocked items. You know, they're super snowy. These were 69 cents. I bought 4 of these. These were very limited though, so I was really happy to find that. These ones, let me tell you, I didn't even see these during the normal, like the whole Christmas season. I don't know, and I frequent Hobby Lobby quite a bit, but I'm not even sure what they are. But again, they're super flocked, and they have this beautiful sparkle and glisten to them. These were in the main floral area. These were only 79 cents. 79 cents. So they're really unique looking. I bought, let me see, I have 2 here. The next ones I got are these beautiful, they're slightly flocked. I think these are ferns, but again, I didn't see these the whole Christmas season. They were in the main floral area. These were 89 cents. I got 3. I wish I could have got more, but that's what they had. I bought these. I didn't see these either. I don't know. I guess maybe they had some late arrivals or something, or I don't know what. This was $1.79, and I think I got a couple of these. I got this pick. This one's super flocked. 49 cents for this, and I wish I had more of these because I really did like these. And oh my gosh, these I love. The girl at the register, she was admiring these. Like, these are absolutely beautiful. And I got these ones for $1.59. So these ones were also pricier. I got 3 of these. And then this is the same as that other one I showed you. And these ones I'm really excited about because I can definitely use these for spring. I don't know how many there were left on the shelf. I think there was quite a bit, but they were only $1 and I grabbed 3. But I'm thinking maybe I should have grabbed more because I think these would have been really cool to make for like a whole wreath, but they'll definitely be nice for spring. And these ones I was kind of hesitant about just because, I don't know, I wasn't sure how to use it, but they were, let me see, $1.19. But I was thinking just like cutting them, like the individual pieces, I think would look good. And I thought it would look nice with that cardinal ribbon that I bought. The next item are these gold leaves. I'm definitely gonna keep these out. You could use it for St. Patrick's Day if you wanted to, but they only had one of these and I ended up getting the last one. It was $1.29, but I used these quite a bit, so I definitely wanted to get that. And again, another one that I didn't see until 90% off clearance. These were 69 cents. They're silver ferns and some gold ferns. This was one whole pick, y'all. One whole pick. And this was only $1. Okay, and I already showed you these ones. I definitely got I got 3 of those ones. And the next ones I got are these. I used these this year also, and I like them because you can cut off the back, or cut them off from the main stem, I mean, and you have a really nice snowy pick right there. These ones were 49 cents, super pretty. And these were part of the Real Touch greenery that I showed you. So I did get 2 of those. Correction, I bought 3 of them. I bought 3 of them for $1.59. They were just such a good deal. They're really big, so you can definitely get a lot of use out of these. And there was a lot of these. Again, like, I don't know. The next one I bought is another Real Touch greenery. I bought 11 of these. These were, again, like tons of them. There was so many of these left, and I just don't even know why. They're so pretty. Maybe people just, I don't know. These were 59 cents, so I bought 11 of them, but they have little berries on them. Beautiful. Like, I definitely stocked up on these. Okay, and the main reason why Hobby Lobby is GOAT for 90% off, you know, aside from everything else, is the wreath bases, okay? The wreath bases, if you're a wreath maker, you need these, and most of us know about it. They're $1.39, okay? $1.39, all right? And these are really nice. Don't think, if you're new to wreath making, these are not just for Christmas, okay? Use these all year long, okay? So I only bought 10, but I'll show you some footage either before or after this video of how many wreath bases my store had. And it's kind of interesting because other wreath makers in other states were saying that their stores didn't have any, and my store was literally stocked. But I only bought 10 because, well, one, I didn't want to spend too much money. But my main reason was that where am I going to store that many wreath bases? I have my shelf that I will show you how I stock everything, but yeah, I only bought 10 because I actually ended up going to Joann's, which I'll show you after. The next ones that I got are these evergreen picks. I use these, I mean, I can't tell you how many of these I went through this season. They were only 29 cents. I bought 12 or 13, but I definitely use these a lot, and for that price, like, yes, absolutely. And then I bought, these are like a champagne in color, and they got some crystals on them. These are 39 cents. I bought 3 of these, and I actually, some lady, if you see in the video, she had gone through her cart and she was taking stuff out, and she just left her pile there, so I grabbed them. I wanted them, so I grabbed them. Hold the phone, hold on. I got these red frosted berries. I use these often. I thought these would be pretty with the cardinal ribbon also. These were 49 cents. I only got 2 because I think I have some already. And these ones, they had so many of these, and I'm really surprised because I thought a lot of people would have used these for their trees. But maybe this just wasn't their color. There's champagne, but I accidentally bought I don't know if this is the same one, but it's slightly darker, but whatever. These were 49 cents. I bought 5 of them because I think I actually have some, but they're really pretty to use for Christmas and Valentine's. And I mean, you know, if someone likes glam stuff, you know. And then I got these berries. I thought these would be pretty with the rustic cardinal ribbon that I bought. Just simple red berries. These were 19 cents. So I bought 3 of these, 19 cents for those. So that was everything that I got for 90% off, but I did go for 70% off, which it wasn't 75% this year, but whatever. I found this hat, which ironically was there for 90% off, but oh well. This was $1.89, but it's a really pretty chocolate color. And I really liked these ribbons. This one is a plaid. I thought it'd be pretty with that Real Touch greenery that I got, and it's a nice thickness. And then this one I bought actually for Valentine's Day. It's coming up as white, but it's definitely more an ivory. This one was, well, actually it was 70% off, $7.99. I don't know. All right, and then I also went to Walmart. They were they mostly had candy and Christmas lights, but I did find these 2 ribbons. They're not for wreaths. I mean, you could use them for wreaths. I might. I don't know, but I got them for like my bead garlands and my Bible tassels. They were originally $5, but I don't know if they were 75% off, but I think they came out to like $1.50. And then at Joann's, I bought these 2 ribbons. They were originally $3.99, and I don't know, I think they were like 75 or 80% off. I don't even know. Okay, and the last thing that I got, I went to Joann's, and they had their wreath bases for 80% off, and then on that price you got an additional 60% off. So these ended up being $1.60 each. So I ended up getting 10 of them. Ooh, let me show you. So these are really nice work forms. Again, you can use these all year. And I got 10 of those. And you know what? I ended up thinking about it, and I think I'm going to keep these greeneries out all year because, I mean, I don't know. Especially these ones. I feel like you could kind of use them all year long. So with everything, my total came out to $104.90, which I think is a really good deal. Some lady was like, holy smokes, that's a good deal for all that for $100. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think that was a good deal? Do you guys do 90% off, 70% off? Is this not your vibe? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching.